Yo, what's up guys? I'm Yannick from the Produce School and this is Intensity, the ultimate Future Rave producer pack for EDM producers. Future Rave is a style or some kind of movement that has been going on in the EDM scene for the last year, and it's mainly made popular by names like David Guetta and Morten. We wanted to captivate the real sound of Future Rave and make it available for you guys, and therefore we created an incredible array of sounds that you can use in your own productions. Intensity contains the following: a sample pack including drums, effects, loops, fills and much more other cool stuff. 2 professional project files made for FL Studio as well as Ableton Live, which you can use to learn from or just to get inspired. The pack also contains some really nice vocals that you can utilize in your own tracks, and like every one of our sample packs, it's 100% royalty free. Then there's another pack in the Future Rave bundle, which is called Impulse. We already released that sound bank some time ago, but we never did a video on it, so that's why we put it in here. Impulse is a sound bank which contains over 100 presets for Serum, going from leads and basses to plugs and synths. That was a short overview of all the things that are inside the Future Rave pack. If you want to support our channel and get the pack, then click the link over here or use the link in the description. It's always really great to see you guys using our sounds and getting creative with them, and even release on big labels, so big thank you for that. Also, we're going to give away the pack to 3 people in the comments, so make sure you drop a comment and you get a chance to win this pack. Now let me show you a quick preview of the 2 project files that are in the pack. Now let's check out the sound bank for Serum, which is called Impulse, and I'm just going to pick a few of my favorites to show to you guys. This first bass I'm going to show you is called Boom, and it sounds like this. For every preset we included macros so you can change up the sound. For instance, you can add some noise with macro 2, which makes it a little bit more dirty. Or I can widen the sound. This is Bass Clicker. Bass Gritty is a really filthy one. You can also use it as a Reese if you filter it out, like the description says. But let's first hear it when it's fully opened. And now let's close the sound. Bass kick is a really punchy bass that you can hear in a lot of Future Rave tracks, like these fast rhythms with a lot of groove. This next bass is called Maze and sounds like this. Bass off is this kind of tom sounding bass and goes like this. Then there's a total of 5 Reese basses in the pack, like this one. Or this one. Reese 4. And bass Reese 5 is really fat, which goes like this. And then the last bass I'm going to show you is called Trigger. Over to some leads. Let's start with this first one. Then we got lead Cold. Lead Ever is a really big one and sounds like this. Lead Evolution. Lead Expert is the typical Future Rave sound. Lead Futura. Lead God is the white noise saw lead, which goes like this. Lead My Life is a big one. Then the last lead I want to show you is called The Classic and goes something like this. Here are some plugs. Plug family has some nice attack. Then we got an acid plug, which you can hear in some Future Rave tracks, and goes like this. Plug King. And then we got plug Never, which can also be used as a bass sound. And finally, we got some synths. This one is called Brass. Synth Retro. Synth Step. And this is the last preset I'm going to show you, which is the synth called Still Falling. It's this really nice LFO triggered sound, which you can use as a lead or just as an effect. I hope you enjoyed listening to some of these presets. Now let's move on to the samples. In the sample pack you will find bass shots, drum loops, drums, fills, effects, synth shots, vocals and MIDI files. Let's go over a bunch of bass shots first. Most of these sounds are made with Serum, but we also recorded some analog ones with our analog synths we have over there, which just have this really great sound. Then we have some drum loops. We got 10 clap loops. They're perfect to fill up some space in your drop or add some energy to your build-ups. Then we got top loops, which are just some drum loops like this. Let's go over some drums. First off, we have some claps, some closed heads. Then we got kicks. Open heads. Percussion sounds. Rides. Snares. We got some toms. Then we got some fills. Let's start off with the long ones, and they are BPM labeled, so you know in what BPM they are. And here's a preview of a few of them. Some short fills. Then for the FX, we have downlifters like these. Glitch sounds, which work really well in Future Rave tracks to get this like futuristic effect. Some impacts. Some risers, like tonal risers. And then the last thing for the effects are the uplifters, which are mainly white noise based. And then we have some synth shots like these. And then the final thing in the sample pack are the vocals, which are really great. They are 100% royalty free, so you don't have to clear them. You can use them to release on any label. And they are just really great to make your track a little bit more unique than just an instrumental track. And this is a preview of a few of them.
You got to believe in me.
You let me down.
We don't stop.
Take control of the way you feel.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little preview of the samples, project files, presets and whatnot. We can't wait to see you guys using the sounds and get creative with them. And if you did, please let us know by sending us a DM on Instagram and we'll definitely support you. For now, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you in another video.